I just bought this neck off of eBay from a guy named Mr.G. He relics guitar necks, and I have a Relic Strat that I didn't really like the neck on. So I bought this neck from him. It's a Squire Strat neck. I bought it for $229 with the tuners and stuff on it. It's reliced in a very, I don't know, similar heaviness to the Strat I have. So I'll show you what this neck looks like, and then I'm going to put it on the guitar that I have and let you know some comments on how it fit, how it looks, and how it plays. Stay tuned. Since I got this neck out of the box, I've just looked at it. It looks great. It looks like a really old, the aging done on it's really nice. It feels good, it looks good, it even smells good. The tuners are even reliced on there. They look nice too. It's a Squire neck, it doesn't say Squire on it anywhere. He did a good job covering that up as well. It looks in great shape right out of the box, and I'm happy with it. It looks straight to me. I'm hopeful that it's gonna just go on this guitar and work perfectly. I'm gonna take off this neck and put the other neck on. Gonna try to attempt to keep the same strings that I have on this guitar. Just 4 bolts on the back, so I'm gonna unscrew those and put the other neck on, and hopefully it fits in the pocket of this body. This is the old neck. Came off pretty easy, 4 screws. This is the new neck. Let's see how it fits. It seems like it fit pretty snug into the pocket of this body on this guitar. I got all the strings back on. I'm gonna tune it and see how it plays. I was able to use all of the strings I had on there, and it feels pretty good, man. I mean, it kind of just went right on there, so I think Mr. G did a good job, which is who I got this neck from on eBay. It looks to me like it's supposed to be on this guitar. Yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with this thing. Once I did get it on there, I kind of had to like mess with the screws a little bit. I kind of tightened the screws, and then I noticed like the strings weren't quite aligned, so basically I just loosened the screws slightly and like just finessed the neck a little bit to straighten it, then tightened the screws on the back plate to get it set, and then I tuned it again, and bent the strings a lot, tuned it again. I think it's kind of like a set of new strings where the neck just kind of has to settle into the guitar. Once it does, it seems like it's married up. So I have a recording session on Sunday that I'm going to use this guitar for. Thinking about kind of upgrading your neck or getting a different shape, or getting a relic neck if you're into the relic thing, like this guitar is, and want a neck to match it, it's got a nice worn back on this neck and it just kind of fits with the style of this guitar. Check out some of Mr. G's necks on eBay. Hope you like this video, and hope it helps you make some decisions about your dorked out guitar parts and pieces that you might want to be put together or swap out. Thanks for watching. See you later.